everybody, Chantal here from RapidStudio. Mother's Day is coming up and I'm sure you'd love to give your mum something super special that shows your love and appreciation for her this Mother's Day. Don't forget that what mums and grands love the most are the people that made them mums and grands. That's why these photo products are so popular as Mother's Day gifts. A beautiful way for you to capture your love for mum in a gift is these canvas collages. The artwork you see is already made for you, and using the RapidStudio editor, all you need to do is pop in your photos. Let me show you how easy it is. Jump onto the RapidStudio website and select the Mother's Day tab across the top menu. Scroll through this page for loads of great gift ideas, or click on the product you're interested in along the top menu bar. This will jump to the Mother's Day gifts in the product you're interested in. When you see one you like, click the Design Now button to launch the easy-to-use editor that will allow you to pop your pictures in. The first thing to do when the editor opens is click on the Layouts tab along the vertical toolbar on the right. This will show you the layout options available in this product. Click through and choose the one you like. Click Upload Images on the left-hand toolbar to bring in your photos. Go to the place on your computer where your images are stored and select the ones you'd like to use in this project and click Open. You'll see them appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Now all we need to do is click and drag the photos into the placeholders where we want them. To reposition an image within the placeholder, click over the picture until a compass appears in the middle and move it. If you'd like to zoom in on an image, just use the zoom toggle bar to the right to zoom in or out. When you think you're done, click on the play button in the top right hand corner to see your collage and see if you like what you've made. If you have, press the blue button in the top right hand corner to order your project. This will take you to your shopping cart where you can adjust the quantity you want and click Proceed to Shipping to finalise your order. There are loads of products to choose from to suit every mum, gran and budget.
Something I really love and use a lot are these beautiful wire bound notebooks for you to put your own photos on the front and back.
Wishing all mums and grands the happiest of Mother's Days, and I hope you find the perfect gift that will make her smile.